I'm Chris Davison. I'm the CEO of Centrix Pharma Solutions. We are a CDMO service provider for small biotech companies, particularly in the early stages of development, to help them provide their solutions to their CMC challenges and to help them navigate through what's quite a complex part of the development process. I think it's knowing where you're going and where you want to be, what your end goal is, and then you can start to navigate your way to that. There's never a simple path. It's not an A to B. There's always going to be complex, but if you've got that end in mind, knowing what the product is, the patient population, some of the challenges that might happen, you can then start to look at how you develop your formulation and your product to start to address those needs. And you don't have to address them all on day one, but if you know where you need to go to, you can start building and generating data that helps you to understand your risks and then be able to mitigate those risks into your longer term development plan. I guess there's two key areas that we can see some added value. One is how you can use Gen AI to help to optimize your processes, simplify your systems, increase your productivity, all of which will help you to be more responsive, quicker, more cost effective. The second part is in the science. As with everybody in the life sciences industry, we generate data, and it's that data that's valuable. But in our space, a lot of that data doesn't get analysed. It just sort of stays there in a lab notebook or a repository. And what we want to do is, how can we use advanced data analytics to start to get that value from that data, start to build models which might be more predictive, and more so they're not going to give you the answers. This is not a utopia, but what they will give you is that risk understanding, so any work you're doing is targeted and again, the right experiment. So we're starting to explore with some university collaborators on how we can bring that advanced data analytics to bear on our capabilities, and it's not something we've got today, but it's something that we want for the future.